Alright, fellow YouTubers, we have a 19 Jeep Compass, and to confirm that, we can read. So let's get started with the door panel. Hidden cover, use this guy. Same with this. Get this out of the way. And you gotta love it. You got a Phillips head here, down here, and then you got a what looks to be a 7 mil, and behind this guy, I gotta get this guy off. We're gonna have a 10 mil. So let's do that. We're gonna use this guy. A little pick. Where you at? There you go. A little pick. Can you focus? Focus. I don't know what's up with this camera today. So I loosened it up, and we're gonna get him out. You see? Gotta get this guy out. That's going to reveal the 10 mil. So let's see if we can do this without breaking anything. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's the 10 mil. So let's get all these guys out, get the door panel off, and be back. And you gotta get this guy off too. So this you can just pull right off. All right. So we're getting the door panel off to get the door mirror and the speaker. So let's do that. All right. So pull from the corner as usual. Pull. Everything's just pull clips after we got all the screws out. Some stayed in. We'll get them out. This one stayed in. That one stayed in. So we gotta get these guys out. And then we're gonna get these guys out by pulling. Pretty easy. This one, you gotta squeeze and pull out. So we gotta get the needle nose for those. So let's do that. Gotta love American cars. Gotta make things difficult. So let's squeeze that one and pull out. I can't do it with my fingers. We're gonna unplug this guy. So let's do that. Oh, there we go. That's out. And let's get the door. Gotta squeeze. There's a clip right there. You gotta squeeze it with your finger. There's another one holding this guy in. That one's toward the back side. There you go. Just squeeze. So let's get this guy with the needle nose. Can't do it with one hand, so we'll get him off. All right, that wasn't that bad. Just gotta squeeze him. Squeeze him with these guys. Needle nose. Get on here. Squeeze, and it pulls out. So there you have it. It's over there. So we're gonna get these guys out to put them back, and there you have it. And we're gonna make another video of the speakers and the door mirror. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.